Good morning, everyone. I just get up. Still have a cold, but once I get up around 9 o'clock, is time for everybody wake up and look at the chart. As I see the chart now, I want to be update and I want to jump in right now, but I will have to look a little bit to analysis. Look, we go back to the 4 hour chart. Okay, this is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. Now right now at the 5 minutes, it is the striking of the buyer. They said something like, okay, we've been through this, through the night, boring night like Asian market, and now London market supposed to open about 9 o'clock every day, but anyway, okay, that everybody wake up and the price is striking up. Buyer is here and they want to kill this guy, but these guys don't want them to be killed, so they take their position, they push. As you can see, here is the wick, the tail, and red colors, that's discount price. The seller try to test the price or not. Is up to the psychological. I am affected by this big candle. If I want to sell now, if he still not giving up and have power, he will searching through this area. If he's searching through this area, ideally of my stop loss will be somewhere around here. Take profit the next level. Anyway, so this is the, we look at the main big chart. Okay, this is the, as I said yesterday, we're gonna fight around here, and this is the S1 R1 is the idea is here. S1 with this and R1. S1 is support and R1 is resistance, so they're gonna get through either both sides. They, since they already get a strong hold their ground on this price. The buyer not step down easily. They don't throwing the white flag. They want to get up. They want to kill this guy, get to kill this R1, R2, R3, R4. R4 is the, I don't know, it possible with this big surging candles, powerful with volume, and they've been down here for quite some time. This is like first, second, third, they're still not able to kill this level, to go through this S1, S2, S3, S4. S4 still not penetrate. Besides, they move back. This is the waiting price, the good price for those buyer who waiting for the discount price. And discount price, whenever you come here, they just, you know, move back. When they touch here, buyers buy it with this price. I love. Okay, so it's become a love price, a common. Everybody happy with this price for the moment, so they create a range. This is the highest peak of the range, and this is lowest. And now first try, first test, seller cannot do anything. Buyer coming back for the second test, buyer come with the strong power for the second test, and the seller must be a very desperate to take it down, because this guy is not killed. So there is the seller market, seller still control. So the buyer come even with so strong, but it's so much desperate. They give discount price for the buyer, and the buyer like discount price or not. That's where I was here last night before I go to bed, and it's nothing. Nobody buy really. If there's somebody buy, they must be above this R4, R1, R2, R3, R4. So they're not able to go even through this R3. So they're going back down yesterday. All this, not this one, but this one yesterday. This is a 4 hours candle. 4 hour candle getting smaller is like is nothing happening. It's boring, and suddenly this over the night come to this until here. This candle is at night at 10 o'clock. Candle is something going on here, and they are fight at 4 candlestick, 4 hour candlestick. This is the 1 hours. No, this is the day. The day need, okay, you can see this obvious. This is look like a good range. You see the green area. This is where they're gonna fight for quite some time, up and down, up and down. So it's good idea to when they touch higher and you sell, when they touch lower you buy. There's ping pong bouncing, but you have to careful to get in and out quickly so you don't get burned. So they need a test for day chart, test 1, test 2, and so on. You have to read this candle, how big they are and how small they are and where they're standing on the sideway, and to fight like this. Test 1, test 2, test 2. They got the test 2, but they cannot really go down that strong. I mean, even they are strong from here, leg 1, leg 2, and get in here. Leg 2 cannot go to leg 3. They're trying to get leg 3 down, but the buyer are so strong. You can see that this candle is so strong. And we going down and look at the lower time frame, go to the 1 hour at this area. So 1 hour is, you see green, and this is area of the red. The buyer love this low price. They want to buy, and many people sit and doing nothing. Even the big institute not working, the bank and things like that. But retail seller and the robot are still working. They have nothing to do, like me. I might sit and watching. Okay, alright, this is green. They're coming. They're telling you that I want this price, give me discount, and they don't give more discount. As you can see, no red and whatsoever, and the buyer are so desperate. Let's see if they want to, if they can break this S1 is support one. If they can break this, be sure this is the next level that you can see today, if they go above this. But I think they must get somehow. But the all picture is like it is on the sideway here before. S1, R1 and S1 is the to show that after test 2, you see where is the test 2. This is test 1 and this is test 2. After test 2, they're supposed to go down because they get the good price from here, and this guy is still control the market. He's responsible for the movement down here. As long as he's not get killed, this is still try to go down, and they try 1, try 2, try 3, not able to do it. So a whole day today is gonna fight around this S1 and R1. If they're lucky to break through R2 and to come to R3, R4, it would be great. I want to see that. But so far, when you go down to the lower time frame, it is 1 hour. It is too big, too strong candle, and the seller try and they can't. The buyer respond, okay, I like this price because it's low enough, good price, and I buy. And the seller say, okay, I will test you around here, and this is how far it moved the price that high down to give the discount. We don't see this in detail until we go to 15 minutes time frame. So this is where we see the detail now. It's the detail now. Strong and strong back, sideways.